Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to prevent browser notifications from vibrating on Google Chrome. If you're looking for a distraction-free browsing experience, follow these simple instructions. First, open your Chrome browser. This is the starting point for adjusting your notification settings. Once you have Chrome up and running, look to the top right corner of your screen. Next, you'll want to click on the three dots. This menu is often referred to as the hamburger menu. It provides access to various options and settings within Chrome. After clicking the three dots, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your browser preferences. Now, in the Settings menu, locate Privacy and Security on the left side pane and click on it. This section contains important settings related to your browsing experience. From there, find and click on Site Settings. This option allows you to manage permissions for different websites, including notifications. Scroll down until you see the Permissions section. Here, click on Notifications. This is where you can manage how notifications behave in your browser. Once you're in the notification settings, look for an option labeled Browser. Click on it to access further settings related to notification vibrations. Finally, you will see an option for Vibration. To disable it, simply toggle this setting off. By doing this, you will stop any vibrations that occur when notifications are received in your Chrome browser. And that's it. You've successfully disabled vibration notifications on Google Chrome. Enjoy a quieter browsing experience without those distracting vibrations interrupting your focus. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online experience. Thank you for watching.